You're not going to believe this. There's a guy on YouTube and Instagram getting millions of views just by destroying luxury cars. But hold on, it gets even crazier. He's not actually destroying anything. These videos, they're completely AI generated and they're so good they mess with your brain in the best way possible. Now imagine this, a Rolls-Royce crushed by a boulder, flames, debris flying everywhere, and it's all fake, but it looks real enough to make you do a double take. These clips are short, punchy, totally absurd, and they're designed to hook you in the first second you blink. Boom scenes and your brain's like, wait, what did I just see? So you watch it again. That's the secret sauce. They're addictive. They're engineered for virality, but here's where it gets wild. You can recreate these exact videos using nothing but free AI tools. Yep, you heard that right, zero budget, no fancy software, just a few copy-paste prompts and some creative fire. In this tutorial, we're going to reverse engineer those viral car destruction clips step by step. You're going to learn how to break them down, recreate the same insane visuals, and build your own viral content machine. And this method, it doesn't just work for luxury car disasters. Once you learn the formula, you can apply it to any kind of viral video for real. Before we jump in, here's a quick look at some of the clips we'll be creating together. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe and buckle up because we're about to go full throttle into the world of AI-powered content. Step 1. Let's find one of these viral masterpieces. I head over to his Instagram page and pick one of his best clips. This one right here, it has almost 200 million views. It's a Rolls-Royce just sitting there minding its business when out of nowhere, a massive boulder falls from the sky and crushes it like cinematic level destruction. Now let's get that clip. You don't need any fancy software, just Google Instagram Video Downloader. Click the first site that pops up, paste the Instagram link, hit download, and boom, you've got the source video ready to go. Now comes the fun part. We need 3 key moments from the video to feed into ChatGPT. First, I scrub through the video and pause right at that moment when the boulder is just about to drop. That's shot 1. Take quick screenshots of each frame. If you're on Windows, press Windows key plus Shift plus S. That opens up the snipping tool. Just click and drag to select the frame and instead of saving it, just paste it straight into ChatGPT. You don't even have to save the file. It's that easy. Next time, move forward a couple frames and pause it again just as the boulder smashes into the Rolls-Royce. That's our big action moment. Take another quick screenshot, and finally, I pause on the aftermath. Dust, debris, total chaos. That's the third and final shot. Once you've got those 3 frames in ChatGPT, it's time to let the magic happen. I give ChatGPT this exact prompt. Please analyze these 3 images. Following the analysis, could you generate a highly detailed image prompt designed to precisely recreate the first image? Additionally, please provide a video prompt that would effectively animate the key elements of that same first image. And just like that, ChatGPT becomes your personal director. It spits out a beautifully detailed image prompt to rebuild that first shot, plus a video prompt that brings it to life. Dust clouds, motion blur, cinematic camera sweeps, the works. You're officially holding the blueprint to a viral video scene. Now that we've got our Hollywood-level prompts from ChatGPT, it's time to turn that text into a jaw-dropping image. And for that, we're using Ideogram, one of the easiest and most impressive AI image generators out there. You can use Pickle if you want, however, this tool is your best friend when it comes to turning text prompts into pure visual fire. So here's what I do. I take the image prompt that ChatGPT gave me, the one based on our first screenshot, and I paste it right into a diagram. Now, and this is important, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. That's the perfect format for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Once you've got the prompt in and the format set, go ahead and click Generate. And now you wait, but not for long. Within seconds, Ideogram spits out 4 insanely realistic images. Images based on your prompt. They look good, so I look through them and I find the one. It's got everything. The giant boulder suspended mid-air, the luxury car underneath, construction workers frozen in panic and an excavator in the background. There's drama, and that's the key. This image is built to hook attention. In the first second it screams, something insane is about to happen. Yes, and that's exactly what makes people watch. Now that we've got the perfect still frame, it's time to turn it into a full-blown animation. And for that, we're using Google AI Studio. This thing is insane. It's one of the most powerful video generators out right now, and guess what? It's still totally free. No watermarks, no nonsense. Let's do this. First, head over to Google AI Studio and log in with your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll see the sidebar. Click on the tab that says Video General. That's where the magic happens. Click on this icon and drop in the boulder, smashing Rolls-Royce masterpiece you just generated in Ideogram. Now go back to ChatGPT and grab that video animation prompt, the one it gave you to animate your exact scene. Copy that prompt and paste it into the text box in Google AI Studio. Before you hit generate, make sure you set the right format. If your original image is vertical, select 916. If it's horizontal, go with 16 to 9. Now take a deep breath and click here to generate your video. This is where it gets crazy. In under a minute, Google AI Studio creates 8 seconds animated version of your scene. And I'm talking camera movement, dust clouds, the boulder falling, wind blowing. It looks like a shot pulled straight from a Hollywood trailer. This is the moment you realize you're not just watching viral content anymore, you're engineering it. You can tweak, test, and remix new animations in minutes. Alright, now you've recreated one of these viral car destruction videos. But the big question is, how do you keep the ideas flowing? How do you make sure you're never stuck for new content? Here's the thing, you don't have to come up with all the ideas yourself. Let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting for you. So here's the move, go back to ChatGPT and give it this exact prompt. Generate 3 more distinct concepts, each including a meticulously crafted image prompt for initial generation and a corresponding actionable video prompt designed for animation, maintaining the style and level of detail we established in the previous examples. Boom, just like that, ChatGPT will drop 3 new viral video ideas into your lab. These prompts will include everything, the image idea and the video animation instructions, all designed to match that same insane level of detail and drama that made your first video go viral. Now you can take these prompts and run with them. Here's how you do it. Pick one of the concepts that catches your eye. Let's say it's the first one. Take the image prompt and paste it into ideogram to generate the image. Once the image pops up, pick the best one. That's your new frame. Now grab the video prompt ChatGPT provided, head over to Google AI Studio and upload your image. Paste in that video prompt and set the format to 916. Hit generate and boom, in less than a minute, you've got another viral video ready to go. It's that fast, it's that easy. But wait, what if you want to try a different image generator? Let's use Pickleman. Copy another image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Pickleman and download your image. Now jump back into Google AI Studio, upload the new image and paste in the video prompt. Hit generate again and in no time you've got a brand new high-quality animated video. The best part? You're not spending hours in front of a camera or editing software. You're literally creating infinite viral concepts in just a few clicks. It's like you're an AI-powered video factory. Now let's talk sound effects. Because a viral video needs to sound as epic as it looks. You can use any background sounds or effects you want, but if you want to get specific, and I mean really specific to the action in your video, you can generate tailor-made sound effects for each clip. Here's how. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it for sound effect prompt that will match your video. Feed it the video prompt you've already generated. Copy that sound effect prompt, then head over to 11 Labs. Click on the Sound Effects tab and paste the prompt there. It'll generate 5 custom sound effects designed perfectly for your clip. Listen to each one, pick the best fit and download it. Then you can add that sound to your video using any video editor of your choice. Just sync the sound with the video and you've got yourself a complete viral masterpiece. And just like that, you now have everything you need to recreate viral videos with ease using totally free AI tools. Whether it's generating insane visuals, animations, or sound effects, you're fully equipped to keep pumping out viral content. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to get even more tips and tricks for making your own viral content.